back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I have an exciting daily work from home job lead for you. This one is paying very well. It's paying anywhere from $60,000 a year all the way up to $70,000 a year. So even if you get offered the very low end, you're still making over $1,000 a week. They're requiring no college degree, and the main basis of the job is responding to emails. So it's mainly non-phone. There will be occasions where you might have to pick up the phone and schedule an outbound phone call, but 90% of it's going to be non-phone. So let's just dive on in. The links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do always ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video that thumbs up like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family, because why not? We all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job is from the company MediaFly. Now, they only have 59 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.4 out of 5-star employee satisfaction rating, though, out of those 59 reviews. They are looking for a product support specialist. Now, MediaFly has a software platform where they have a suite of solutions to help people create immersive buyer experiences, enabling sellers to lead with value and allowing managers to scale their coaching. They're trying to just help companies make revenue. But they are looking for somebody just to provide customer support for their suite of applications. You'll promptly manage incoming customer inquiries through their Zendesk online platform, providing that troubleshooting support and advice in a timely, professional manner. You're going to manage the resolution and communication to the end users, ensuring that all tickets are properly logged and resolved, and within those service level agreement time limits that are set by the company. It means you're going to gain and maintain a detailed understanding of the MediaFly product set, how it works both from a business use case and a technical perspective, and you're going to use that knowledge to troubleshoot questions from clients about their data, identity issues, and provide any advice to them. Now, you're going to maintain these clear lines of communication, and you're going to manage this communication with customers through email. So most of this is mainly responding to those emails through that Zendesk platform. If they need a phone call, you will schedule that phone call and make an occasional outbound phone call to provide information to them or technical troubleshooting. But 90% of this is done answering emails. Now, what they are looking for, no college degree is needed, just somebody who has 2 to 5 years of professional or technical experience working in some kind of customer support or tech support role, somebody who has a clear, informative communication style via email, somebody who has effective time management skills, great problem solving skills, and the ability to work both independently and as a team. Now, pay for this position is $60,000 a year, all the way up to $70,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.